Hello everyone, I'm Jason from Section 809, and nowadays many people like to put their money into the stock market either as their main source of income or to earn extra money. However, from past experiences, we know that the stock market is far from stable, and even a small fluctuation will impact people's incomes a lot. And therefore, in our project, we aim to disentangle the complicated relationships between various prominent factors that influence the return of the stock market and also the relationship among those variables. And this is interesting because our project can provide people with insufficient financial knowledge a valuable understanding of what factors influence the stock market's return. And this is also beneficial to the society because we can help to preserve the financial stability of the society. There exist works that have demonstrated the effect of micro, macro, and sentiment factors that influence the return of the stock market. But unfortunately, there are only few works that have demonstrated the effect of the combined of these three types of factors on the return of the stock market and also the relationships among those variables. And moreover, in our quarter one project, we have demonstrated the effectiveness and accessibility of using a causal relationship graph to interpret complicated data relationships. And thus, the specific problem we are approaching is what is the causal relationship between the macro, micro, and sentiment factors that affect the return of the stock market, and also the relationship between these variables. We will approach this problem through first collect data from trustworthy sources, such as the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, Yahoo Finance API, and also a Kaggle dataset. And then we will clean this dataset, get it ready to run causal discovery algorithms. And then after producing the causal relationship graph, we will invite multiple economics professor at UCSD to judge the graph by either removing or adding relationship to the graph. And then we will treat this judged graph as our ground truth. And then we will use the evaluation functions in the causal learn package to evaluate our graph. And we will use the metrics such as precision and recall to evaluate how close does our graph align with that of human expert judge graph. And this will be the way that measure the success of our graph.